What's up, guys? Our Air Pro 6 is finally in. Now, 32 days ago, I dropped a video here talking about how to order an Air Pro 6 for $0.01, and the package has actually arrived as requested in the comment section. I'm going to unpack this now and test it for us to see how it really looks like. All right, welcome to Just Know It. My name is Albert. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so as you can see on the package here, I have my name to Albert Owusu, to my location, and this is my phone number. So I actually got a call just like the first time from Ghana Post Office. So let's go ahead and unpack this thing. Woo, this looks amazing, guys. All right, so the first thing that we are getting here is the user manual, which nobody will read anyway. The next thing we are getting is this Type-C USB cord here. And then finally we have our Air Pro 6, guys, right here. Let me drop this in a second. Okay, so as you can see, it's wrapped. Whoa, guys, so $0.01. If you haven't ordered yours, check out the link in the description. All right, guys, so I just got my phone. Let's try this here. I'm actually connecting it from this side. Someone was asking me to test the sound. Okay, I wish I could find a way of playing what I hear for you to hear, but it really sounds good. Wow. Alright, guys, if I don't take care, I'll enjoy this music and then the video will not end. Now, if you want to order yours, if you haven't seen that video and you want to order yours, check the link in the description, follow the tutorials, and then you get yours for $0.01, less than 10 pesos, okay, or less than 20 pesos. I mean, like ordering this all the way from Abroche. Alright, that's all I had for you today. If you enjoyed this video, I welcome you to subscribe to this channel. Just hit this little button here. It takes less than 1 second. Come on, go ahead and try.